Native to China, ginger has become the most widely used root vegetable owing to its amazing medicinal properties. Typically used as a spice, ginger is also added to delicacies such as a ginger ale drink, ginger biscuits or ginger bread. However, most people use it for the wide array of health benefits it offers. 1. Ginger kills cancer cells. According to research conducted by doctors at the UMCCC, ginger effectively destroys ovarian cancer cells. Namely, ginger has proved more efficient in destroying cancer cells than the platinum-based chemotherapy treatments typically prescribed to patients with ovarian cancer. Also, studies confirm that consumption of ginger rhizomes reduces inflammation of the colon and intestines, thus lowering the risk of colon cancer. 2. It reduces inflammation. The active ingredient in ginger, gingerol, effectively fights health issues linked to cell inflammation. As found in research that included patients suffering from arthritic and muscular pain, ginger consumption significantly reduced pain and muscle swelling. Other conditions triggered by cell inflammation that ginger has positive effects on include obesity, diabetes and Alzheimer's. 3. It treats acid reflux. According to study results published in the journal Molecular Research and Food Nutrition, ginger compounds are 6 times more efficient than acid blocker drugs. Plus, these medications destroy the stomach acid barrier, thus posing a great risk of ulcers and even stomach cancer. 4. It alleviates morning sickness and nausea. Ginger is extremely beneficial in relieving morning sickness in pregnant women. However, it's highly recommended that expectant women consult their doctors before using any herb or medication. 5. It soothes cough and sore throat symptoms. Common cold and sore throat symptoms have long been treated with homemade ginger remedies. Simply boil some ginger slices into water and add lemon and honey to soothe a sore throat and relieve nasal congestion. 6. It stimulates digestion and prevents flatulence. Ginger is one of the most efficient natural remedies against indigestion. To treat an upset stomach and relieve bloating and gas, boil some ginger slice in water for a few minutes. Optionally add some raw honey to sweeten the taste. 7. It relieves headaches. You can easily relieve migraine headaches by mixing ginger with cayenne pepper and peppermint to make the perfect migraine reliever. Simply add a pinch of cayenne pepper and a teaspoonful of dried peppermint to boiling water, then add slices of ginger and let it simmer for a while. This will make the drink stronger. Sweeten the beverage with raw honey or stevia. Ginger is also effective when used topically. Make a paste of half a teaspoon of ginger powder and a small amount of water and apply it to your forehead to relieve a headache. 8. It soothes a toothache. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory, so it can also effectively relieve toothaches as well. Just rub raw some ginger on your gums, or boil some ginger in water, leave it to cool off and use it as a mouth rinse. 9. It stimulates blood circulation. Using a cloth, add freshly squeezed juice of 50 grams grated ginger into 4 to 5 L hot water. Use the mixture to soak the affected areas on your body. Other benefits of ginger: it's highly recommended to chew some ginger after an operation to prevent nausea and vomiting. Chewing some ginger before meals stimulates appetite and digestive juices. Muscle strains, especially in athletes, are easily treated with a mixture of ginger paste and turmeric rubbed on the painful area twice a day. A glass of ginger water in the morning or before any meal is advised to diabetic patients in order to balance blood glucose levels.